and welcome. We're so glad you're here. My name is Cindy and I'm here today with Anthony.
I've been a hair system user for just over a year now, and as you can expect, there's a lot of up and downs during the entire journey, so that's why we are here today. So stick around for this journey. We have a lot to learn.
If you just bought your first hair system, congratulations. You've taken the first step toward transforming not only your look, but also your confidence. Now, we know this can feel a little overwhelming at first. You might be wondering, how do I install it at home? How do I take care of it? What if I make a mistake? Well, don't worry. We created this course to guide you step by step through everything you need to know. Over the next lessons, we're gonna go over how to install your hair system at home with confidence, daily and weekly maintenance routines to keep it looking fresh and natural, styling tips and tricks to blend seamlessly with your own hair. Think of this course as your personal guide. You don't need any prior experience. We'll walk you through everything step by step. By the end, you'll feel confident, in control, and ready to enjoy your new hair with ease. And if you ever feel like you'd rather skip the hassle of cutting, sizing, or styling your system yourself, we also offer a ready-to-wear option on our website. You can customize the base, size, haircut, and more to receive a system prepared just for you. That way, you can save time and focus on enjoying your new look. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's get started. Your new journey begins now, and trust me, you're going to love where it takes you.